Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we learn how to change font color in a table of content in Word without breaking the formatting. This is perfect for creating stylish reports, assignments, ebooks, business documents, and professional projects. If your table of content looks too plain, this quick trick will make it stand out beautiful. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment page. Now here available a table of content, but I don't change the color, otherwise you can don't change the color. Now I am change it and see you. Now I am select the text, go to the home menu, then select the text color option or the font color and change it. We can see this way is very easy. Otherwise you can change the title of the table of content, you can change it. This way is very easy. Now we can see we change the color of table of content very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.